Ladies and gentlemen, SCC is formed by a group of professionals from different organizations and corporations and dedicate ourselves to build Hong Kong as one of the leading smart cities in the region. The definition of smart city evolved from time to time, and generally speaking, it refers to a city which is smarter than the traditional one. It usually refers to a city which capitalizes on the use of ICT for a more prosperous, knowledge-based economy, enhanced quality of life, and a vibrant ecosystem that is enjoyed by citizens for all. We also assist the governments in formulating the standards and policy regarding smart city. SCC also provides a platform that allows all stakeholders, including the citizens, to engage in and exchange ideas on smart city, and thereby more public awareness can be enhanced on smart city. SCC also provides a platform to reach out to overseas smart city communities that allow us to actively participate in smart cities activities overseas and invite our counterparts to Hong Kong and exchange our idea and experience. SCC is now developing an advisory paper for the government's Smart City Blueprint. From today onwards, we kick off a 5-week public consultations to welcome all of you to write to us and join us to provide more comments and ideas to smart city development for Hong Kong. Please share your will on building a smart city together. To be smart, give your opinion to SCC now.